such an experience to wake up early in the morning and come and meet like-minded friends. We all encourage you so much. I think as women, we put ourselves behind every other need. So I feel that all women should come forward. This is our time, your time.
For past 18 years, I've been suffering with wheezing. So I was under very severe medication, and I had so many health effects because of the medication also. So, now I'm a little bit coming out of that effect. But after joining this Dream Runners thing, what happened is that I just touched me. For past 2 years, I have not been having wheezing. So my health has improved so much that I don't have the wheezing issues, and I recommend everyone to join the training, and especially the women to do the training.
The structured training last year, and I've been very consistent after that. So I think exercising, we know all the benefits, everybody knows, and I think it's very true. I have personally felt that my stamina has gone up, my immunity has boosted. So there is definitely a lot of positive things that comes with exercises. The bonus is I've lost weight. So I think that should be encouragement enough for all the women to start running to get in shape. Running off late and managing home and everything, we are always revolved around our children.
Most of the day, because since you have kids, our life gets revolved around kids.
This is our
This
me
is like
time,
morning me time where we meet our
charges us
friends
for the entire day, brings a lot of discipline into your life, getting up early and everything.
For a
So I
person
think,
who could never get up
exactly,
early,
yes.
getting up at 4:30,
you should definitely
regularly
try
coming,
that.
attending sessions, it brings a very positive change in your life.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We started about 2 years back, and we couldn't even run 500 meters. That's how we all started, all of us women, and now all of us can do greater distance. But it's not actually the distance, it's getting up in the morning, coming here every day, committed. And unless we have some structured training, I don't think it's possible for all of us. And you just see how many women we are together. That's amazing, because I think our group is dominated by women rather than men.
Challenge, but definitely
And my
it's not.
kids like it. They ask me every day in the night, Mommy, are you going tomorrow?
Yeah, they are happy that we
Yes,
are.
I think you're a good role model for them, right? Because you are disciplined and
Keep asking me next day, Mommy, can I come for your session? Can I also run with you?
And they actually get upset when we miss a session. They're like, no, why didn't you go? And stuff
The
like
day
that.
they
So-
see me in my pajamas in the morning, today you didn't go for a run. No? I'm like,
So I think it will end up bringing some discipline into their lives also.
true,
So I
true.
think as parents also we can set a very good example for our children. So yeah, I think and it's not difficult as it looks, as it seems. Nothing is impossible when a woman puts her mind to it. So it's just getting up in the morning. Once your body clock is set, you don't even realize that you're getting up in the morning and running. So I think if I can do it, you can do it too. So get up in the morning, put it into a routine and start running. She should run.
Don't forget to click yourself at the end of the session. That is the best motivation. Yes.
So make time for yourself and join a structured training. It makes a lot of difference to your thinking and your happiness.